As promised, I am bringing you a few images from the Homesteading Life Conference in Hannibal, Missouri. And this is one of the few conferences that has gone on amidst all the upheaval in our country. And I'm so glad to meet these homesteaders and wannabe homesteaders and YouTubers that are here, and learning about fermenting vegetables, which is a workshop going on just in the other room right now. And a lot of other things going on, health and wellness, essential oils, dryer balls made from alpaca wool. There are YouTubers here. And in about 45 minutes, I'm going to be hosting a gardening forum. And people can talk about anything they want regarding gardening and ask questions and share. And I'm looking forward to that. So take a look at a few images from the conference.
I'm Craig, this is my wife
Jesse,
and our two kids Riley and Liam. We had a homestead in Concal, California, just on the other side of the river from Paradise. And in 2018, November 2018, during the campfire, it raged right across our homestead, and we lost our 10-acre homestead. Early in the morning, we sent the boys out to do the standard farm chore, and they turned around and came right back in yelling, "Fire, fire!" Went outside, and the fire was just racing up the driveway. From what they were saying, the fire was moving at about 2 or 3 football fields a second.
it was very fast.
So it was running 80-mile-an-hour winds, extremely dry. It had been dry all summer prior to that.
They knew what to do. They came up and told me, and I said, well, where's the fire? And they said, everywhere. And we managed to get the dogs and cats into the vehicle and cut the fences for the livestock.
Yeah.
We drove through a 20-foot wall of flame.
So you got your pets and left.
That was it.
So that's all we had. I was in pajamas and boots, and they were still in their overalls and muck boots when we left.
Yep.
There wasn't time for anything else.
No time to change or really grab anything.
Wow. That was not cool, huh? No. Where do you live now?
We're back up on the property.
In an RV.
So in an RV, and we are working on rebuilding the homestead. We are Mother Udder Farms, UDDER. And so, yeah, if you look us up on YouTube, it's www.youtube.com/C/Mother Udder.
Liam, do you like the whole YouTube thing?
Yeah.
You do? What do you like about it?
I like because it kind of brings the people to want to do that stuff, the people who haven't done it before.
Do you enjoy it? The work? The farm work?
Yeah.
You think you're going to be a farmer when you grow up?
Probably.
You think?
Probably have a couple animals.
And Riley, what do you think? You like the YouTube thing?
Yeah, I have my own YouTube channel.
Oh, you do? What do you focus on?
Just random stuff I find. So whatever's going on, like I'll do random videos on just regular stuff.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You make your own videos?
Yeah.
Jesse was in the Army previously and was injured in combat, or?
Not in combat. I was active duty when I was injured while I was serving stateside.
Well, thank you for your service.
Thank you.
And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. All right, so we are going to the boat, and I can't wait to show you that. But look at this. You got to see this. Look at this lovely garden they have just up on the levee. Isn't that lovely? All the flowers. Looks like a butterfly garden. Coneflower. There's some roses, dahlias, lilies. I forget what these are. Forget what those are. Marigolds, sorry. Something dead there. This is pretty. I love that. Wow. Okay. Wait, we ran out of thing here. There's like no stairs here. We didn't go the right way? I saw them go through that way. Okay. I think this is safer. It's a little higher.
Well, somebody got on that t-shirt and I'm like, they play it simple. You know what my wife says about me?
Are you having fun?
I am, yeah. Always.
Hello. Welcome.
In 1982, the Mark Twain Riverboat Company purchased the vessel, and we brought it to him. The boat measures 120 feet long, 33 feet wide. It is documented at 94 gross tons. And when fully loaded, it draws or sits in the water 6 feet at the stern. They are inspected annually by the United States Coast Guard and licensed to carry 350 passengers.
Well, thanks for watching my little video about the Mark Twain Riverboat cruise.
My name is Chris Hopkins, and along with myself, my wife, and our 6-year-old son, we make raised garden beds. Our company name is Living Greens, and the business was made out of necessity when I could not go to the market and buy a decent metal raised garden bed. We hope to be selling these in 4 weeks through Baker's Creek Seed Company. They're going to help us out. We're going to ship for them. What makes our product different is our side panels are made of 22 gauge. Our rib height is about 1.5 inches, whereas the competition runs about a 3/4 inch rib height, which makes a huge difference for durability. You can fill our beds with soil. They don't have supports in the beds. The beds aren't going to bow. You can link the beds together mechanically. You can stack the beds. You can put wood tops on the beds. So it's really left up to the imagination of the customer.
Hi, I'm Tracy from Westfield, Indiana, and I'm here with the Hive Butler, a product designed to make beekeeping easier, cleaner, and a lot more fun. The Hive Butler is a food-grade storage tote designed to help beekeepers harvest their honey and keep it clean and protected, but also allows you to use the ventilated lid in the bee yard to do your hive inspections or collect swarms. It's working for you all year round. We make them in Indiana. Even the plastic that we use to make them is made in Indiana.
That's awesome. So is that the actual hive?
They do not live in it, no. This is a tote to help the beekeeper do all kinds of beekeeping work during the year.
Ah, awesome.
Yeah,
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
Hi, what's your name?
Paul Munson.
And Paul, if it's cloudy like this, can you use the sun oven?
No, you need enough sun to cast a shadow. So we always say think of the groundhog. If there's enough sun to cast a shadow, you can use the sun oven. If it's overcast to the point you can't see a shadow, then you can't use it.
You need to get your cooking done in the sun.
Yep, absolutely.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Custom-made dryer balls.
My name's Connie Jacoby, Wise Women Botanicals.
What are you doing at the conference?
Well, we're making people healthy. A natural way, plant-based items that will help with pain. And my gosh, what else could we need but pain, but to be well and choose the right choices, make whatever God put here for us.
Right.
So,
and you just want everybody to be healthy.
That's what my vision is to be someone that will help promote everybody's knowledge base to be able to be healthy and learn how to do it themselves. More than anything else, putting together the things that people will be able to utilize themselves. So it's not that you have to go someplace and get that and have somebody explain it to you again. We ship all across the United States and do many types of shows, but more than anything else, we want people to know how to do these things themselves.
And where can people find your products?
We're available on the World Wide Web at wisewomenbotanicals.net, and you can call us. It's very simple. We have a shipping division that ships all the time. We are also in Texas at Hemp and Herbs. We're in Santa Rosa, California at CBD Marketplace. Give us a call.
Somebody was asking the other day if I'd received an email that they had sent me. And I was like, do you know how many emails we get? And lately, with the demand of people wanting to grow their own food and to be more self-sufficient and learn how to preserve food, the emails are flowing in, and that's one of the reasons why we started the conference, so people could come here and learn hands-on. It's good to watch videos, it's good to get your education, but when you can get your hands in there and you can see the people and ask them questions, it really brings it to life. So we started this conference, we host about 400 people, it's limited seating, and everyone's coming from all over the country so they could learn these skills and take them back to their community, and you should be grateful for that because they'll share that with you so you can become more self-sufficient too.
Hi there.
Hi, I'm Michael Kennedy. I'm from Mount Morris, Michigan, and I have been gardening for many, many years. And one of the biggest things we use, and we got them for free, was wood chips from the tree trimming companies. And they would bring truckloads after truckloads and truckloads until I told them to quit. We have put hundreds of yards of wood chips over the years on our gardens. And over the last 15 or 20 years, we probably have a sand hill that turned into about 2 foot of topsoil.
That's
So
awesome.
wood chips are very wonderful. They will turn into beautiful soil, and worms and everything else will be in there. And we compost with it all the time. And we've composted with manures and stuff, whatever we could get cheap and free. I run across the Late Bloomers channel many years ago and have been watching it off and on for years.
Thank you. That's awesome.
You're welcome.
The Homesteading Life Conference in Hannibal. Hey everybody, I am at the
Become more self-sufficient as well. Man, hold on.
Try it again.
All right, I'm usually pretty good. Let's wait up.
Well, it was an amazing day at the Homesteading Life Conference, and I so appreciated the people that came and spoke and shared their gifts and talents and products. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.